Imagine a security system that does more than just record. It understands what's happening, spots critical events in real time, and delivers clear insights straight to your phone or desktop. That's Watchman AI, an end-to-end video analytics platform that transforms any IP camera or CCTV setup into an intelligent, automated monitoring solution for homes, businesses, factories, and public spaces. Most organizations already invest in cameras, yet they still struggle with endless footage no one has time to watch, so critical moments get buried. High staffing costs for manual monitoring or delayed incident reviews. Low visibility into patterns like foot traffic, asset movement, or compliance breaches, leaving you reacting, not preventing. Watchman AI fixes these pain points by delivering continuous AI analysis. Every frame is processed so nothing slips through. Hybrid edge cloud architecture, instant on-site alerts plus scalable cloud storage for historical review. Smart customizable alerts, only the notifications you care about, like vehicle in loading zone or mask violation in lobby, sent via mobile, email, or Slack. How does this surveillance work? You can connect any H.264 camera, simply plug Watchman AI into your existing IP cameras, or NVR with no new hardware needed. AI-powered object detection will automatically recognize and tags people, vehicles, baggage, and even animals as they move. Real-time event processing instantly flags incidents like trespassing or crowd buildups, so you get alerts. The moment something happens, deep analytics on demand lets you search for people in red shirts or bikes on sidewalk and jump straight to those key moments. Compliance scoring measures distances between detected individuals and delivers a simple social distancing score for easy safety checks. Flexible review lets you securely watch live feeds with no open network ports or replay up to 30 to 90 plus days of full resolution footage with just a few clicks. Now let's see the actual Watchman AI platform. After logging in, you land on the dashboard, the central hub for real-time video monitoring. It gives a quick snapshot of system performance, camera activity, and security alerts, helping users monitor and act instantly. Here's a breakdown of each dashboard element. Total cameras shows the total number of cameras added to the system, whether active or not. Active cameras displays how many of those cameras are currently live and streaming. Detections today counts the AI-triggered events or alerts generated for the day. Alerts sent indicates how many alerts have been pushed to users via notifications. Live video feeds lets you view real-time streams from all active cameras in one place. Stop all streams allows immediate shutdown of all live video feeds, useful during emergencies or maintenance. Recent events lists the last 5 detected events with details like event type, camera name, timestamp, status, pending complete, and a snapshot for quick review. This AI-powered dashboard offers an efficient, centralized view for managing surveillance and responding to incidents effectively. The event logs section of the Watchman AI dashboard serves as a centralized record of all alerts and events captured by the surveillance system. Whenever a connected camera detects any suspicious or predefined activity, such as unauthorized movement or perimeter breach, the system logs that event here. This log acts as a historical timeline, helping users track incidents, perform audits, and conduct post-event analysis. To efficiently navigate the logs, users can apply filters. The camera name filter lets users select a specific camera to view only its triggered events, ideal for location-based investigations. The status filter categorizes events as pending, awaiting review, or completed, reviewed, and actioned. The date filter allows users to view events from a particular day, useful for reports or daily reviews. After setting the filters, clicking search displays the matching results, while the reset button clears all filters and restores the full event list. This module provides a structured and searchable way to access past surveillance data for better decision-making and response. The reports section in the Watchman AI dashboard is intended to serve as a central hub for viewing and exporting summaries of all event logs recorded by the system over specific timeframes. While currently under development, this module is designed to offer users the ability to generate detailed reports segmented by daily, weekly, monthly, or custom date ranges. These reports will help users analyze trends, audit past incidents, and evaluate the overall performance of the surveillance system. Once operational, users will be able to export and download these reports in formats like PDF or Excel, enabling easy sharing, documentation, and compliance tracking. Though not yet live, this section will become a key component for historical analysis and operational decision-making. The Master section in Watchman AI serves as the central configuration hub for managing surveillance cameras. It includes the Camera Master Table, which lists all registered cameras with key details like serial name, camera name, location, status, active, inactive, and action to edit settings. By editing a camera, users can update fields like camera name, username, password, RTSP URL, and toggle the camera's status. The Add Camera option allows for registering new cameras by providing essential details like name, credentials, and streaming URL. Additionally, filtering options are available to sort cameras by name or status, making it easier to manage large-scale installations. Overall, the Master section offers full control over camera configurations and operational status within the system. The Settings section in Watchman AI allows users to customize how the AI detects and analyzes visual data divided into prompts and frame settings. Prompts define what the AI should detect within the video streams. Users can set specific rules, such as detecting loitering near entrances or vehicles stopped in restricted zones, using customizable prompts in JSON format. Once created, a prompt must be activated to ensure it's applied for real-time monitoring. Frame settings manage the time intervals at which video data is analyzed. Instead of continuously processing every frame, users can set the system to analyze video streams at defined intervals, e.g., every minute. This allows for efficient monitoring while balancing performance and accuracy. Users can also create new frame settings, set interval durations, and enable/disable settings as needed. Together, these settings allow users to fine-tune AI behavior and optimize video analysis, ensuring maximum effectiveness without overwhelming the system. The User Management module in the Watchman AI dashboard helps administrators efficiently manage system access and define user permissions. It is divided into three main components. User. This section allows administrators to view and add users to the system. New users can be onboarded by entering their details, making them eligible for role configuration and access permissions. Permissions. Here, administrators can define access rights for each user or role, such as viewing the dashboard, accessing event logs, modifying camera settings, and downloading reports. Different roles, e.g., admin, viewer, operator, can be assigned, with access granted or restricted based on these roles. Assign users to group. This feature enables the creation of user groups, such as admin group or security staff group. Users can be assigned to groups, and permissions applied to the entire group, simplifying management for larger organizations. In summary, the User Management module ensures secure, organized, and role-based access control, streamlining administration and improving operational efficiency. The Profile section in the Watchman AI dashboard provides a concise overview of the user's personal information within the system. It displays key details, such as the user's first name, last name, and registered email address, allowing for easy identification of the individual using the platform. Additionally, the profile includes the user's current account status, indicating whether it is active or inactive. An active status means the user has access to the system and its features, while an inactive status signifies that access has been disabled. This section is particularly useful for both users and administrators to verify user credentials and ensure accurate account data is maintained within the system. Watchman AI excels in various real-world scenarios. Retail stores detect shoplifting, monitor checkout queues, and analyze customer flow for optimized staff allocation. Manufacturing plants ensure safety compliance, spot unauthorized entry, and track equipment movement. Hospitals and healthcare monitor for patient falls, restricted zones, and enforce hygiene protocols like mask wearing. Public transit hubs detect overcrowding, unattended baggage, or trespassers on tracks for platform safety. Office buildings and campuses automate visitor logging, control door access alerts, and analyze space utilization for improved facility planning. Key features. Any device compatibility. Works with your current IP cameras, NVRs, VMS platforms, or even a standard computer. Smartsearch. Instantly locate specific events. Skip to people in blue at East Stairs in seconds. Personalized alerts. Define searches once, then get push notifications whenever criteria are met. Unlimited cloud storage. Archive over 3 months of video, bandwidth efficient and resolution preserving. Secure live streaming. No inbound ports, end-to-end encryption, and regular security audits keep data safe. Unlimited guest access. Share selected live views or recordings with colleagues via secure links. No extra licenses. Benefits. Reduced costs. Eliminate DVRs, NVRs, and extra servers. Run smart monitoring on the edge or in the cloud. Proactive security. Automated detection and response. Free up staff and cut response times. Actionable insights. Understand footfall patterns, asset movements, and compliance trends from one dashboard. Rapid deployment. Plug-and-play cameras install in minutes. Intuitive UI gets you up and running fast. Scale with confidence. Manage thousands of cameras from a single console. Granular user role controls keep operations smooth. Watchman AI turns passive recording into active protection and insight. To learn more or schedule a demo, visit the link below. Empower your security team and your bottom line with smarter surveillance today.